Hello everyone. As you know that I am doing mathematics previous year questions from GATE examinations. Okay. Today topic will be multiple integral. This will be I think second video for this. Okay. So if you are from mechanical background and or from other background also, you can watch this video. Because you know that mathematics is common for all the branches, so whether you are from civil background or mechanical background or electronics, electrical, whatever it is, you can take advantage of this video. Okay, this is about myself, a small introduction of myself. Let's see today's video. So the question says parabolic arc that y is equal to x root x from 1 to 2 is revolve around the axis the volume of. Okay, so they are saying like this is the x and y axis, so the parabola is something like this. Okay, so this is nothing but y square is equal to x. If you square this, you will get this kind of equation. This kind of equation, and if you plot this, you will get parabola like this. So they are asking like it is revolve around x-axis. So what is the volume of that? So that volume they are asking. So let's see that. See, so this is nothing but the plot of this parabola. Okay, so obviously this is the equation which is given. You can also get y square is equal to x. So you can take a small element dy. Okay, so the volume of this parabola will be dv pi y square dy. It's a standard expression, so I don't think you don't know. Okay, if you don't know, please remember from here dv is equal to pi y square dy. Okay, so the volume is varying from x is equal to 1 to 2. It is limit is already given. Okay, so we have to just integrate this from 1 to 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 to 2. Okay, now so what I have to do here, just put this like y is equal to root x here, like y is equal to root x. Understood? This we have to put, or x is equal to y square. So you will get this pi x dx. Okay, so now you integrate this, very simple integration from 1 to 2. So it will be pi x square by 2. Put limit from 1 to 2, you will get 3 pi by 2. So the answer is D here. Okay, this is mechanical question from 2010 GATE. Next question. Okay, we'll read that. A path AB in the form of 1/4 of a circle of unit radius is shown in figure. Integrated from integration of x plus y square on the path traverse in a counterclockwise direction. Okay, so if you plot this, like this is nothing but is the you can say, like, suppose if it is circular, whatever it is. Okay, it's actually not a circle, but it's just 1/4 is given. Okay, this equation is given x plus y square. So what we have to do, we have to take one small element, okay, at angle theta. This is theta, not q. Okay, so you can the x will be let's say this is r at r. So this is nothing but r cos theta. Okay, and this will be r sin theta. Okay, so the y is nothing but r sin theta, or this is nothing but x. So now you know that what is y, what is x. Okay, so just put this value here, you will get r cos theta plus r sin theta whole square. Okay, so they are asking integration of this. So obviously it will be double multiple integral, that is dx dy. So actually we are converting the this quadrant, normal quadrant into polar quadrant, something like that. Okay, so it will be, so this is nothing but from 0 to pi, obviously 0 to pi by 2, 90 degree. Okay, this variation is from where to where? 0 to, from theta is varying from 0 to 90. Okay, theta is varying from 0 to 90. Okay, so the limit will be, new limit will be 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so r theta, let's say it's like unit radius, like radius is 1. Okay, so you can say r is equal to 1, so it will be, cos theta plus sin theta whole square d theta, that is 0 to pi by 2. And you know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so that sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and that is 2 cos theta. Sin theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Okay, and you'll get 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus 2 theta, 3 theta. Okay, so if you integrate this, okay, so I'm not going to do this integration, you please do with your own. Okay, if you simplify this, you'll get pi by 2 plus 1, so the answer will be B. Okay, so this question is little typical question because you have to do this integration. Okay, and also you have to do this manipulation from x plus y whole square. Okay, so I hope you understand how to solve this problem. Okay, next question. What is the area common to the circle r is equal to a and r is equal to 2a cos theta c? This is actually the standard expression. Okay, so I'm not going to give you the explanation of this. You have to just write the final answer because its answer is D, 1.228 a square. Okay. Next question. This is also like very simple question. They are asking what is value of this. Okay, I think there is some, this should not be there. Okay, this should not be there. So they are asking what is value of this. So simple. We have seen a lot of problem till now. So what you have to do, just take first integrate with respect to y. Okay. While you are integrating with y, so the other variable you have to consider as a constant. So this will be 6y xy, and y we have to integrate, and y square plus y square by 2. Okay, now this you have to integrate with respect to x. Okay, so you'll get obviously you have to put limit from 0 to x. So all y, if once you put limit y is equal to 0 to x, this all y will convert into x. So your final expression will be in terms of x. Okay, so now you have to integrate this with respect to x and put limit 0 to 3. Okay, so you can say it's a very simple integration. You can, if you simplify this, you'll get 3x square minus x cube by 2, and you can put limit from 0 to 3, and after that you simplify, you'll get 13.5. So the answer is A. Okay, this is not 0. Okay, so simple integration, just first integrate with respect to y. Okay, put limit, simplify, and again integrate with respect to x, put limit, simplify, you'll get the answer. Next question, this is like very good question. I think you have to remember some formula for this problem. Anyway, we'll see that a parabolic cable is held between two supports at the same level. The horizontal span between the support is L. The sag at the mid span is H. The equation of parabola is y is equal to 4h x square by L square, where x is the horizontal coordinate and y is the vertical coordinate, with the origin at the center of the cable. The expression of total length of the cable. See, just remember what is the expression of total length. Okay, there is direct formula for total length. Okay, so we have to use this equation in the total length formula. We'll get final answer. Okay, so we'll see that. See, See, I'm keeping questions also with the solution because I don't want to go back again to see the question. So that's why I'm putting the question with the explanation itself. Okay. See, so this is nothing but is the formula of total length. Okay, so that is 0 to, so the limit is a to b root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. Okay, when I was writing GATE exam, I was remembering all the formulas. So you have to also remember all the formula, because in the GATE exam you are not going to get a theory kind of question, you will get only numericals. So you, even if you don't know the theory, no problem, but you have to remember the formulas. So for entire mechanical engineering and mathematics, if you remember the formula, you can score easily 50% marks in the GATE exam. Okay, so please start memorizing the formulas. Okay, so I will give you the list of all the formula later, like once I will finish lot of videos, and maybe after some time I will try to consolidate all the formula together and I will just upload. You can just watch multiple times, you will remember for longer time. Anyway, see, so this is a to b root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. So see, this is y is given. Okay, so y is from h is equal y is equal to h2 L by 2. Okay, so this is actually y is not lambda. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to integrate, or you have to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so dy by dx, you'll get 8h x by L square. Now this value you have to put here. Okay, so and limit will be obviously 0 to L by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but is the final expression. You can, if you simplify this, if you more simplify this, you will finally get 2 0 to L by 2 1 plus 64 h square x square by L to the power 4 dx. So the answer is D. Okay, so this question was looking complicated, but it was actually not complicated. You have to just remember this formula. If you know this formula, you can easily solve this problem. Okay, this is actually civil question. Especially see in the like in mechanical, civil, in these branches, this level of mathematics question, even in electrical also sometimes high. Okay, but other branches like computer science or electronics, it is like little bit you can say lesser in terms of difficulty in the problems. Okay. Next question. The expression v 0 to h pi r square 1 minus h by h whole square dh for the volume of cone is equal to. See, this is actually not direct expression. It's a standard. So its answer will be D. Okay, you please memorize this because this is the answer. Okay, don't do this integration and all. It's like the standard expression. You please remember this expression 0 to r 2 pi r h 1 minus r by r whole square dr. Okay, next question. A surface is given this 2x plus 5 minus 3 is integrated over a path consisting of point that satisfy this. The integral evaluated to. See, this is like this type of question is solved, complicated, but you just its answer is D. It's 0. Okay, I think in the previous video I have told you, like, if option is given 0, you please choose that. Even you take a small risk. Okay, because there is a risk of only 1%, but there is chance of being correct. That question is 99%. Okay, because I have seen lot of problems where answer is 0, where one of the option is 0 in 99% of time. That is the answer. Okay, so here also is the Answer is 0, is G. Okay, if you want to solve, you can try this problem. Ultimately, you will get the 0. Okay. Next question. This is also like a standard expression. So fx plus y is continuous defined over. Okay, from this like x comma y, it's belong to like this, like 0 to 1 into 0 to 1, given two constraint that x is greater than y square and y is greater than x square. The volume under fx is, okay, see, this is also a standard expression, standard formula, so it is not mandated to go everything. Remember this. So it is actually its volume under fx is nothing but this E. It's like y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, that x is equal to y squared, x is equal to root y fx comma y dx dy. Okay, see, actually those who are from mechanical background, you might not find this kind of problem, but those who are from electrical background, they have to solve this kind of lot of problems. Okay, so if you are from mechanical background or civil background, you can skip this. Okay, but those who are from electronics, electrical background, we should not skip. But whatever branch you have, you please remember this. Okay, see, wherever explanation is required, I will do the explanation. But for the standard relations, I don't think explanation is required. You just remember and memorize those results. Okay, so you please memorize this also. Okay, this was the EI question for the EI branch. The value of integral this. Okay, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, e to the power minus x, e to the power minus x square, e to the power minus y square dx dy. Okay, so this is also one of the good problems. Okay. See, so this is the equation is given. So let's differentiate with respect to not differentiate, integrate with respect to y. Okay, you can start with the x also, no problem. Okay, so they are integrating this. Okay, so putting z is equal to x square, dz is equal to 2x, you will get dz is equal to 2x dx. Just put these things here, so you will get this. Okay, now if you more simplify, okay, now you have to integrate 0 to infinity. Okay, so this is the whole thing. And see, if you remember the gamma function, so this value is nothing but gamma 1 by 2. Okay, and this gamma 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. Okay, so gamma 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. Understood? Root pi by 2. So what is happening here? This term like 0 to infinity e to the power minus y square dy is coming root pi by 2. Okay, so if you change the limit y to x, again you will get root pi by 2. Okay, so for this term also, okay, you will get root pi by 2. Okay, so you have actually two root pi by 2, one for this limit, this integration, another for this integration. So you have root pi by 2 into root pi by 2. If you simply then if you multiply that, you will get pi by 4. So the answer is D. Okay, so see, actually in this problem they have did this integration, but actually if you read the the integral formulas and gamma function, you can see this result directly there. Okay, so if you know that, no need to do this integration and all, you can simply put this value root pi by 2 and root pi by 2 and multiply. Within second you can get the answer pi by 4. Okay, so from here itself you remember this 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square dx is nothing but it's root pi by 2. Okay, so wherever you are finding this, okay, you just put root pi by 2. Okay, don't do the integration. Okay, so the answer is D.